A little town is quiet and bright. Suddenly something is not right. Tiny trucks hear a call. A house is smoking in the street. People shout and feel the heat. Fire truck is on the way. Red fire truck goes fast and loud. Water sprays from a big white cloud. The fire goes down. Someone coughs and feels so weak. They need help, they cannot speak. Ambulance is coming. White ambulance drives with care. It brings help everywhere. The patient is safe. Cars are blocking the busy road. Nobody knows where to go. Police truck arrives. Blue police truck clears the way. Move aside, it seems to say the road is free. A big tree falls down hard. It blocks the city yard. Tow truck is ready. Strong tow truck pulls with might. It works with all its power and light. The road is open. The town is dirty and full of trash. Bins are full in a flash. Garbage truck rolls in. Green garbage truck cleans the street. Everything looks nice and neat. The town shines again. Kids are tired and feel so hot. They want something cold a lot. Ice cream truck is here. Pink ice cream truck rings its bell. Yummy treats for all to sell. Kids are smiling all the time.